Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing today? It's Friday. Market started out good. Hey, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. Follow that prompter. So let's get right into it. Crypto is pushing towards an all-time high. But remember, good people, this Sunday, it's Friday. This Sunday, meet myself, Chris Sane, and Keenan Grace on this live where we're just going to be talking about stocks. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're not going to be giving the news like I have to do this on this show, but we're just going to be talking about how to build a portfolio. We're going to be talking about charts, and Chris Sang going to be talking about options. Listen, you want to be there. You got to register. Don't wait. Register today. We'll talk about that later. Let's look at what's going on. The last government shutdown, which occurred December 22nd, 2018, January. See here, you can see that coincides with positive da 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 da. All right, the S&P index rose significantly during the 25-day shutdown, which was also recovering from a steep, you see this, a steep sell-off that occurred between the shutdown. Okay, stock market performance during 2018 and 19 gained. The S&P actually gained 13 cents. You see here, over the 5-week period of that particular shutdown. You can see that right there, okay? Donald Trump was the president then. Again, here we go, some more historical data. So what do we learn from this? We learn that historically, government shutdowns, the market does good historically. I wanted you guys to see that, all right? Look at that. USAR. I talked about it yet again yesterday. And what? It's up again 23 more percent today. The warrants, USAR warrants. And I'm going to be talking about warrants on Sunday. And if you really want to learn about warrants, stock up you. Okay? So look, the warrants are up 23% today. Rigetti, even though, look at that, Rigetti up again, another 8%, right? Over the 5 days, 20%. What did we do this month? Rigetti did 154%. I'm not even going to waste your time and show you the warrants. It's going to be twice this, 3 times that much. So now let's look at some more things, right? In aviation, okay, I got this in my EV portfolio. I want you guys to keep an eye on Joby. Now, I'm up a lot on Joby, okay? Look at that, 37% over the last month, 215% year to date, 119%. This stock, this is a vertically flying helicopter that goes up. Now, remember, EVs lost their tax credit, right? So the tax credits are done. And soon I will be buying more EVs more aggressively, but I'm just going to start to dollar cost average. I wanted to wait until the tax credits go away, and then we're going to start buying. Now, Joby, I already have some. My money movers already know. There's a lot of room in Joby without even pulling up a chart. I want you to study it, and I want you to see when is a good time to get into it. Yes, I will be letting the money movers know sooner, but it's already on their radar. Now, here's the one that's actually kind of behind, and I believe that has a lot of room to run. Now, these are the ones you take your time on. It's up 7% today, but it's actually been underperforming. Okay, Archer Aviation, look at that, year to date, only 12%. These are the type of small cap stock that have room to run over the next couple of years. You're not going to buy it today and be rich tomorrow, good people. Okay? Listen, patience pays. I'm going to show you patience pays. Now, Hood, though we know what happened in 2021 with the platform, but now we're talking about the stock itself. Okay? Remember I used to say robbing the hood? Because you guys know what happened. All right? You know what happened. It wasn't right. They've corrected it. They've made it. They've made it right. And so now I like the stock because of all of the things that they're doing. They're getting in, betting and they're talking about digitizing the stock market. I just believe that they're on the forefront, and it has been running up. Okay. I have some in my long-term portfolio. It has been running up. We could see over the last month, it's up 45%. Year to date, 293%. But it has a lot of room to run. All right. So here's something I want you to listen to just in case you didn't hear it as it pertains to crypto.
Speaking of crypto, sources telling CNBC that OnePay, the fintech firm majority owned by Walmart, is joining the crowded ring of crypto custody and trading. Our Hugh Son is here with some of that reporting. Morning, Hugh.
That's right, Carl. So OnePay, created by Walmart and Ribbit Capital in 2021, will soon be adding crypto to its mobile banking app, sources tell me. OnePay will be adding access to Bitcoin and Ether in coming weeks with the help of a startup called Zero Hash, according to these sources. The move means that crypto is increasingly seen as a core offering that sits alongside traditional banking services like savings accounts, credit cards, and wealth management. Companies from Morgan Stanley's E-Trade to SoFi have announced plans to add crypto in recent months. In terms of use cases, OnePay customers could presumably convert their crypto into cash and then use those funds to make purchases at a Walmart or pay off their card balances. OnePay's crypto adoption comes as the mobile banking app is gaining traction with users. The fintech firm is now number 5 on Apple's App Store ranking for finance apps, ahead of larger companies including JPMorgan Chase, Robinhood, and Chime. Notably, most of the apps ahead of OnePay in that list, including PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App, already offer crypto. Carl?
Hey, do you see?
So, guys, listen, 150 million people per week shop at Walmart. Okay, 150 million people per week. Now we got JP Morgan on the bandwagon, and we got Citi giving Bitcoin new price predictions. Now I'm going to make a crypto video, and I'm going to do that and air it tomorrow. All right, but this is what we need to understand, that patience pays. Now, what happened? Bitcoin was surging towards its all-time high again. We could see right here, good people, Bitcoin, October is generally a good month for Bitcoin. And look what happened. Look what happened. Boom. Spiked up first day of October and just been running ever since. Now, look at this, good people. This happened this morning. This is the all-time high. And look at how close we literally hit the high and bounced back down. You see that? You see that, good people? We hit it, bam, and came back down. So let's talk about it. All right, there we go. All right, look at that. Now it's cooled off. It was at 124. It's cooled off, and look, I keep showing you guys. Let's go. We could see it right here. Leave me a coffee cup if you've learned this. Now we're up here. Just a week ago, we were here, and this was the buy range. This was the buy more range. This is the buy less range. So we go from here, where we should have been buying, to here, where we should be buying actually less, right? Patience pays. Now, look at the 7-day, 11% for Bitcoin. That's like the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Dow rolled up into one, if you ask me. That's what Bitcoin represents. Up 11% in 7 days. Ethereum up 11% in 7 days. Look at that. You got XRP coming back up. BNB 18%. You guys see that. I don't even have to go down the chart. All right. Solana up 14% in the last 7 days. And what have you been doing, Larry? You haven't been talking a lot about crypto. I told you guys the last time. I'm just holding at this point. I bought early, I bought low. I'm holding. That's what I'm doing. When it was low, I go in and I buy. And I just hold and I just wait. And when all of the stuff comes out and it pushes the price back down, if I have some more dry powder, which I always keep some dry powder, because every single time I get paid, I put into my portfolios, which you should be doing also. Pay yourself first. Quit just paying bills. You are only poor people just pay bills, okay? And if you say, hey, my money all of it's required to pay my bills, cut some bills. Cut some bills and make sure you pay yourself first, okay? This will bless you throughout your entire life if you simply adopt that. So we are making money. Come and join us, all right? Now, you guys know Stock Up You is where you need that to learn everything. You're just going to make money. Money Moves is where I do my daily plays. But listen, if you really want to invest in yourself, it's simple. All right? For what you will spend in a week at a restaurant, what you will spend in one sitting at a restaurant, we are getting together this Sunday, right? Who? Chris Sane, Keenan Grace, and myself. And we are just going to be giving you guys all we have with stocks, right? Not the stuff we got to give you daily. We're just going to just boom, 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 and shoot it to you straight. Okay? You don't want to miss it. Just don't do it. That's going to be the top link below. So the two top links I want you to concentrate on is that live stream that we're going to do Sunday. You're going to be late. We shut the site down twice because that many people are signing up. I want you guys to get the information. It's cheap. Get the information, okay? And then I want you to consider, if you don't have Stock Up You, I want you to purchase Stock Up You, because by the end of this month, we're going to have a full course of options in there added. And for those of you that have it, you don't pay a dime more. You know, it's a one-time payment, okay? You can buy now, pay later, all right? But we will see you Sunday. Myself, I can't wait, because I'm going to be taking notes when these guys speak. All right, good people? All right. Hey, allergies or not, we coming. We got to feed the family. We're going to continue to make great gains regardless of what the stock market is doing. All right? Make sure you check out this promo. The links are below in the description. If you're on your cell phone, make sure you join us Sunday. We're going to have a great time. Live, love, laugh, and learn.